This video is sponsored by GROMaudio.com. Hi folks, it's an unboxing video again. As you know, I have a Lexus LS600h and the GROMaudio.com was contacted me because the Lexus 600 is not too updated for these days in infotainment system, and they have a VLine V2, this little guy, which I'm going to unbox it because this is actually a CarPlay, so it's modernize your original screen, so no any modification needed, just add this into your car. And I will check what is inside in the box in this video. I will make a separate video how you can build this into your Lexus LS600 or 460 and any other models. And also I will make a separate video about the menu and what's my experience about it. Come with me in this video. But before I open this box, let's talk about the company who sent this product to me. The GROM Audio is established in 2008 in the USA, in the Silicon Valley, in the heart of it. They absolutely focusing on three main type of the products. The VLine production line, which I received for modernize not too old cars which has a screen, and you can update it into the 2025 modern needs to have videos on your screen, to have better GPS on your screen, and of course better audio on your screen. The second focus for the company is the audio line, which has a Bluetooth connection, and it's helping the car to connect the audio system on your phone via Bluetooth. In that point, there is no video option, such like the third focus. The third focus is absolutely the aux or VAUX, when only the audio can go through from your phone or from your device to your audio system of your car. The GROM Audio has a bunch of options for different manufacturers, such like Toyota, Lexus, Honda, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Infiniti, and many others. So the box itself, it's a very nice, good quality, how they packed this little guy together. And you can immediately see it's not a cheap Chinese something. And once you open the box, you have the user guide, then you have an installation manual if you want to do it by yourself. I'm not an expert of this stuff, so I'm definitely going to hire or ask my friends who are experienced and professional car mechanics, electric wise. And the brain itself, it's a very nice, good premium material touching wise, and it's nice, clean, and it's small enough, like the old style hi-fi system had a small amplifier separated from the head unit. It has many different options like HDMI out, USB ports, and other possible way to attach to the head unit into the Lexus. It's very nice. And we still have something in the box. Oh, we have plenty of things, different cables. I think this is something like audio cable, some electrical cable, and yeah, this is I don't know which one is this one, but my friend will know that. And this is an important stuff. I will explain it in the next video once we integrated it into the car. This is a GPS antenna, I guess. Yeah, this is a USB cable, and I think it goes to the side to maybe fix it to the places, and the microphone. These are the stuff what you can get in the box. So the VLine VL2 is basically a 12 Android unit. It's a little PC basically. It only weighs 400 grams, and everything it gives you what you have on your phone. So it gives you the Google Maps, the Waze or Waze, how they pronounce it anyway, the YouTube, the Spotify, everything what you need in 2025, what you get used to with your phone. This little guy has many fantastic features and still let your OEM menu use it. It's very important. It does not modify anything. It just gives some extra. It's fully integrating into your audio system, and even with your volume button, you can control the volume of it. So it's so simple, and it just gives extras to your car. And the best part with this little guy, it does not block anything from your OEM menu. If you want to raise the volume, you will use the button which you used before. So it's absolutely give you so much freedom and bring your car back to from 2008 or 9 to 2025. And it has a quad-core Cortex A17 1.8 GHz CPU, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM internal memory, Wi-Fi on 2.4 and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 2.1, 4.0. It has also HDMI in and out. It has a microSD slot, GPS, GLONASS, A-Block 6 module, 24 bits DAC, and the best part, it weighs only 400 grams, so it's quite light. The VL2 is always compatible with specific models and cars. This model is compatible with the Lexus LS460 from 2007 till 2009, the Lexus LS600h from 2008 and 2009, and also with the Lexus LX570 from 2008 and 2009. Every time when you go to their website and check your car details, you can select everything, but if you're not sure, just send a message to them. Their customer service is fantastic. You send your car details and they will exactly show you which model is compatible to your car, because if you order a wrong one, of course it won't work, because this is a little computer specified for that model. So the best part with the VL2 for me is you're getting older car, 15, 20, 18 years old. Lexus LS can be upgraded into 2025, 2026 needs from your phone. You can put everything on it, GPS, music, video, anything. I think the video works only if you play it in your front screen. The rear screen needs to or can see only that one. They cannot be separated like the original OEM setups, but I'm going to check it, because in my next video I will integrate this into my Lexus, and of course then I will make a separate video of it, what's my experience, what's the menu and how I like it, and what's the pros and negatives. GROM Audio gave me $60 discount with the 4K Pro 25 coupon. If you use it on your purchase, you can get this discount, and I really appreciate them. They were contacted with me to let me have this little guy and introduce it to you. If you like this video, push the like button, subscribe to our channel, and of course don't forget to follow us if you want to see how this little guy works in the Lexus LS600h in my car. I wish you have a nice day, and bye.